Today, I'm embarking on a very special 10-day mission from Cape Canaveral, Florida to San Diego, California. This is my ship. Come take a look at my Earth Cross 1. So first, we have the commander seat. This is where I'm going to be spending most of my time. Next, we have the fuel tank. This ship certainly needs some propellant. In the back, we have our payload bay. It's empty now, but is soon to be loaded with equipment. We are ready for a mission of a lifetime.
Well, you have a lot of people who are following your journey on Instagram at NASABlueberry. Explain to our audience what it is you're doing. You're taking your 10-day journey while way up above us, 4 others are taking their 10-day journey.
Yes, of course. So we were in Cape Canaveral, Florida yesterday for the Artemis 2 launch, and I am a part of a documentary titled Driven to Explore. So we were at the launch to be able to see Artemis 2 take off towards the moon. That whole mission takes 10 days. So during those same 10 days, we are going to be traveling cross country. So from Florida, making our way slowly to California, and we are going to be interviewing women in STEM kind of at each stop that we make. So we're slowly making our way there, and we will hopefully be in San Diego, California for when the astronauts splash down.